see how the engine starts there? We'll zoom in just a second. There's the inlet spot in the front, which we'll get to. The actual jet engine sits behind that and has a pretty standard overall design.
That's your old way of moving.
Air enters the jet engine and is forced backwards by rotating discs with blades called rotors. Rings of stationary blades called stators make sure the air flows generally backwards and builds pressure instead of just twisting with the rotors. The passage narrows, compressing the air for more powerful combustion. The compressed air now flows through separate nozzles. Around the small outer ring, while fuel is sprayed through the center. The fuel-air mixture is ignited. In many jet engines, igniter plugs, not unlike a car spark plug, are used. But the SR-71 is different because of its special fuel that has its own ignition.